What's up YouTube? JP here with JP Street and Performance. We're going to be working on Trent's Audi. Tell us about the Audi.
So it's a 2017 Audi S6. It's got a 4-liter twin turbo. It's got quattro. It's from the factory a monster. Today we're going to be taking the front bumper off, putting the front lip on, and a splitter.
Awesome. We're going to go ahead and get started, you guys. All right, you guys, you're going to remove your factory underskirts. Pretty self-explanatory. You're going to have, I don't know, about 20 bolts in total to get the underskirts off. And then you're going to come around to your wheel wells, and you're going to have torque spits inside the wheel wells on both sides, and then we'll move along to the top. All right, once you get those four bolts from each side, you're going to go ahead and remove this upper cover. It'll pull up just like Trent's doing there, and then you'll have two clips.
All right, so once you get this front top cover off, there's two bolts in here. One here by the left headlight, one by the right. You're going to remove those.
All right, you guys, so when you're removing these bumper covers on the 2017 Audi or like body Audi, so there'll be a 10 millimeter and a 10 millimeter going up through this bracket. And then there is one that goes through here, and it's really hard to see, but you have to loosen this bracket, and then you'll take an extension up through, and it kind of comes at an angle, and you'll get it right here. So on both sides, that was the one that was kind of holding us up. We had to kind of figure it out. All right, so what brand front lip did you get?
So the front lip is Maxton.
Okay, so let's show them this, and then so this is his Maxton Design front lip here. It's got a protective coating on it currently. So this is going to sit on here like so. And then he got a, do you remember what custom company built the front splitter by chance?
Looking for it right now. K&G Motorsports.
K&G Motorsports. So they built a beautiful aluminum front splitter. It's technically for the A6 but we're adapting it to the S6. But you guys can see here, it's got a nice red lip. It's inlaid, so it's been routed out. The bottom's got a nice little inlay in it. So this we're gonna have sit right on the air dam. And I know it's hard to tell right now, you guys, with it laying upside down, but so we're gonna work on mounting the front lip first, and then we'll go ahead and take a look from the underside. Look how that's gonna look with the air dam.
Yeah, it's gonna look real good. It's all very clean together.
All right, you guys, take a look at that beauty. So we're gonna go ahead and get the bumper set back on the car.
All right, well, this concludes part 1 of the lip kit and splitter install. The next thing we're gonna do is eventually do the side skirt lip, the rear diffuser, the drop links, and then finally the exhaust. Thanks for tuning in on JP Street and Performance.
Thanks for watching, guys.